Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix voice chat on Fortnite in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. In the right, you're gonna find your game library. And here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find your games, your media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now if you want to fix voice chat on Fortnite in the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings, here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your console. Go ahead and search for sound right here, and then here you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio for TV speakers, and 3D audio for headphones. And lastly right here you're gonna find volume. So right now go ahead and click on microphone. Then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. You're gonna find input device, adjust microphone level, microphone status when logged in, and lastly microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. Right now go ahead and click on input device, and then once you're here, go ahead and choose, or right here choose your input device or your microphone. And then once you do that, just go back and then go to adjust microphone level, and then right here you can either increase or decrease your microphone level, and at the same time you will be able to hear your voice in the background. And once you finish, just go back and all of your changes will be saved. Then the voice chat on Fortnite will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.